In the second part of our seminar, we want to find the measure of angle ZYN. Let me trace that for us. So we want to find the measure of angle ZYN so the lines are parallel. And which postulate we're going to use? Well, if we notice ZYN is an exterior angle, we're also told the measure of PXW, so we're going to use the alternate exterior converse theorem. So the alternate exterior converse says, hey, if the alternate exterior angles are equal, so let's make an equation out of that. I'm going to switch colors here. So I'm going to say 7x plus 35 equals 11x minus 25. So I want those to be equal. So let's find the value of x. So I'm going to subtract the smaller x from both sides. I'm going to subtract 7x from both sides. 7x minus 7x is 0. Bring down the 35. 11x minus 7x is 4x minus 25. So let's add 25 to both sides. And we get 60 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. X is 15. That does not answer the question. Our question says find angle ZYN. So in ZYN, I'm going to replace x with 15. So I'm going to say, 7 times 15 plus 35. Let me 7 times 5 is 35. Carry the 3, so you get 105 plus 35. So the correct answer that we're looking for is 140 degrees. Make sure you answer the question being asked. Okay, in example 4, let's take a look at this one. In the window shown, the diamond grid pattern is constructed by hand. Is it possible to ensure that the wood pieces that run the same direction are parallel? If so, explain. If not, explain why not. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take and we're going to measure some angles. Treat the other line as a transversal. See that there? So in other words, you could use any pair. I'm going to use corresponding. So measure the corresponding angles. If they're congruent, they're parallel. The lines are parallel. Kind of bad English there. Now, you could have said you could have measured the alternate interior angles, you could measure the alternate exterior, you could have measured the same set interior angles and make sure they're supplementary. Any of those would work on this particular question.